Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility and creating a fast backup. Use iCloud or Finder on Mac. Once done, charge to at least 50% and free 15 GB of space so the download fits. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and signed into your Apple ID. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The device will check for iOS 26 and show size and notes. Tap Download to start. You'll see download progress and a verification step. This is normal and can take 5–30 minutes depending on network. While it downloads, close heavy apps and keep the iPhone plugged into power. If prompted, confirm your passcode and allow the installer to run. This prepares system files and optimizes storage. Make sure automatic locks are disabled to avoid interruptions. Once verification completes, the installer will ask to schedule or install now. Choose Install Now to proceed immediately. You start the install and the device will reboot. Do not unplug it. The progress bar may pause and resume. When iOS 26 finishes, you'll be guided through a brief setup. Restore settings, enable features, and sign into your Apple ID. Make sure apps are updated in the App Store and check settings for any new privacy prompts. If something goes wrong, for example, the device is stuck on the Apple logo, try a force restart first, and if that fails, use recovery mode with Finder or iTunes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.